Friends, imagine turning just $100 into $10,000 in 30 days. That's exactly what I did with Shopify Dropshipping, and today I'm sharing the complete blueprint. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn the exact 4-step system I used. From finding winning products to scaling with zero-budget marketing strategies that actually work. Step 1 is finding your profitable niche. Don't just sell random products. I use Google Trends to find topics gaining popularity in specific communities. Then I explored TikTok and Pinterest, searching for Amazon finds, and TikTok made me buy it to see what was going viral. For suppliers, I spent days on AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping, but price wasn't everything. I ordered samples to test quality firsthand and looked for suppliers with high ratings. I messaged my top 5 candidates. The ones who responded quickly and professionally became my partners. Step 2. Building your digital storefront. I chose Shopify's basic plan and invested $15 in a custom domain. I picked a clean, free theme focusing on simplicity over flashy designs. Using Canva, I created a professional logo for free and built essential pages about us, contact, and policy pages. These trust signals are crucial. People buy from people they trust, not faceless websites. I set up payment gateways for credit cards and PayPal, plus all the legal policy pages. Your store is your kingdom. Make it clean, trustworthy, and ready for visitors. Step 3. Finding winning products. I became a digital detective, searching TikTok for trending items. I studied Facebook's ad library to see what other dropshippers were successfully promoting. I looked for products that solve problems, have a wow factor, or cater to strong passions. I imported products using dropshipping apps, but never copied generic descriptions from AliExpress. I wrote unique, benefit-focused descriptions. Instead of 500-watt motor, I wrote effortlessly crush ice for perfect smoothies. I used 5 to 7 high-resolution images per product, plus videos when possible, and imported authentic reviews for social proof. Step 4. Marketing on a micro-budget. I focused on organic social media, creating native content that didn't feel like ads. I reached out to micro-influencers with 5 to 20,000 engaged followers, offering free products for posts. One shout-out from the right micro-influencer sent targeted traffic to my store, and I got my first sales. I reinvested every profit dollar into small Facebook ads, starting with just $5 per day to gather data. I tracked everything, testing different creatives and audiences to find winning combinations. The key to scaling from first sale to $10,000 is understanding your data and making informed decisions. This journey taught me that, with the right strategy and determination, you can build something incredible from scratch. Your dropshipping empire is waiting. Take action, stay consistent, and watch your $100 grow. If this blueprint helped you, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more money-making strategies.